Hi kids, today we are going to show you our zoo animals. Please enjoy. Apes. Apes are one of the longest living types of mammals and have been known to live for over 50 years. Apes are generally considered sociable creatures, and most will live in groups of around 100. Lion. Lions are the only known cat species. A group of lions, also called a pride, often roar together to mark their territory. A roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Tiger. Unlike most members of the cat family, tigers like water. They are good swimmers and often cool off in pools or streams. If you look a tiger in the eyes, it is less likely to kill you. Sun bear. Sun bears are actually the smallest bear species. Male sun bear grow about 5 feet long and weigh up to 150 pounds. These animals live in wooded areas of Southeast Asia. They are good at climbing trees. Brown bear. The brown bear can reach a weight of between 150 and 370 kilograms depending on age, sex, and season. Despite their weight, the animals can cover short distances at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Elephant. Elephants are exceptionally smart creatures. They have the largest brain of any land animal and 3 times as many neurons as humans.
Buffalo. Buffaloes prefer to stay in large groups. The collective term for a group of buffalo is called a herd but can also be called a gang, troop, or an obstinacy.
Panda.
An adult female panda weighs to 100 pounds. Pandas can climb as high as 13,000 feet and are also very good swimmers. Sometimes male pandas relax by doing handstands against trees. Pandas are shy. They don't venture into areas where people live.
Giraffe.
The giraffe is the tallest mammal in the world. Even newborn giraffe are taller than most humans. Female giraffe give birth standing up. Their young fall about 2 meters to the ground and can stand up within an hour of birth. Zebra. Their black and white stripes are unique and are as distinctive as human fingerprints when a foal is born. They have reddish-brown stripes which gradually become darker and change to black as they grow. Rhinoceros. Rhinos are intelligent, social and emotional animals that are a vital part of Africa's tourism industry and its legacy. Recently, The western black rhino was declared extinct by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Hippopotamus. Hippo eyes, nose and ears are located on the top of their head, which means they can see and breathe while submerged in the water. What's more, these super cool creatures sweat an oily red liquid, which helps protect their skin from drying out and acts as a sunblock too. Cool, huh?